up to my amazing craft artists? My name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life as a craft artist. Hope you're having a great day. This is a fun, exciting video for me and you. I always see that in all my videos because I like to get excited for our hauls and buying things that's cute and sassy and fun and functional. And I hope you guys get excited as much as I do. So let's get started on this haul. The things I want to show you today is all at Five Below. Some are $5, some are $5.55. I have a t-shirt right here, and then I have a t-shirt underneath that, and then I have these two beautiful perfumes right here that I love. Then I have this cute notebook. I need another notebook. Then I got some cute sunglasses that are cute. And then let's get started on this haul, and I'll talk to you in the video. Hopefully have a great day. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's get started. Let's start hauling. First things first, I want to show you these cute, beautiful butterfly sunglasses that I saw. They're shaped like butterfly wings, and they're so cute. Look at these. I cannot wait to wear these. I tried these on at the store. I love this so much. Those are really cool. I love that. Also about these sunglasses, they're hearts, black hearts. Usually I get red heart sunglasses, but I'm going to get these and try these out. Really cute. I love these. They work really well, and they're really dark. There's 100% UV protection. I mean, these are really dark. I love that so much. And then over here, before we open this up, I want to show you this cute cover of this beautiful notebook. Isn't this cute, you guys? I love it. Let's open up and see what it looks like in a few minutes. And I hope you like this. I hope you like cute notebooks and cute covers like I do. And also I bought this beautiful perfume, Mysterious Rainbow, which I love rainbows. And I love the packaging on this. So we'll open this up and show you if you haven't seen that before. And then over here I bought this pen holder shaped like a refrigerator. So cool, right? And it's so amazing. Like I need another thing to put pens and pencils in, but I got that. And then I got this cute shirt. It says Angel. And then, what does it say? Angel by Bratz. She looks so cute, right? And then I have another t-shirt underneath there. So we'll get close and personal. So I'm going to take my seat and I'll show you everything up and personal. First thing I'm going to show you in this video is this Angel Energy Bratz t-shirt, which is really cute. I love the Bratz. Bratz came out when I was 18, 19 years old, and I love the dolls. I like the big lips. I love everything about it. Let's get close to personal on this one. She's really cool. I hope the Bratz come back as a doll. I love the dolls. I love collecting dolls. I haven't collected dolls in a long time, but I'm trying to collect the Rainbow High dolls, and there's some other dolls I'm going to collect. They're so cool. I love cute shirts and functional shirts. This is an extra large, and I always get extra large because I'm a heavier girl. But I just love this shirt, and I think this shirt's really beautiful, and the colors contrast together. I'm trying to learn how to draw like this and make characters just like this. This is a cute character, so I'm working on character design for my own characters and my own business. So this is so cute, isn't it? I love this shirt. So let's move on to the next t-shirt, and I hope you're excited because I love working out in cute shirts. I hope you guys know that, and I love going out to the mall, outside, in a nice shirt. So yay for nice t-shirts. And there's only $5.55, I think, for the shirt. Yeah. This is another beautiful t-shirt that I bought from Five Below. I buy a lot of t-shirts from Five Below now. I think they're really cool, amazing. Actually, I buy t-shirts everywhere. Walmart, Target. Anybody that has a cute t-shirt, I will buy it, and I love it. I love these kind of shirts. And I bought the shirt for a personal reason because I am going to Disneyland. When I turn 50 or 51, I'm going there. Hopefully by 50, I have a whole year now to save like $10,000 to $25,000. I'm going to stay there for the whole month in California. Just go to Disneyland, Universal, walk around, have fun, shop, and have a good vacation I never had in my life. So that's what I'm trying to do. So this is the shirt I bought for that trip. I bought a whole lot of these shirts at Five Below just for Disneyland. Because each day I'm going to have a different t-shirt on that's a Disney character. And then I may buy some stuff there and send stuff back home. So this is what I got. It says just one bite. The poison apple. I love the story of this. This is one of my favorite princesses. I love all the princesses, if you didn't know that. But Snow White's so awesome, isn't she? I just love it. So hopefully you guys are having a great day watching this video. And give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Hope you like the Disney princesses as much as I do. I hope you go to Disneyland or Disney World. But that's my goal, to go to Disneyland and have fun and stay there and have fun for a whole month. So I'm going to go to Disneyland every single day and stay there probably 5 or 6 hours each day because I just want to. It's going to be fun. So thank you guys so much, and I'll be back showing you the rest of the haul. Functional wonderful notebook that I didn't need. I thought this thing was so cute. I love it so much, you guys. I had to get this. I buy a lot of notebooks at Five Below now. I think there's such a cute way to get you excited about drawing and art, and also for schooling. So if you need some notebooks for back to school, go right in there and get some. Some are like $3, some are $3, $4, and $5. And if you need a sketchbook, they have really good sketchbooks as well too. So this is what it looks like, the cover. She's really cute, and I love how the donuts, and I love all the characters in here. It's such a good way to do your artwork. I can't wait to do my own stuff like this. I'm working on everything right now. So this is the back. So let's open this up and show you what it is. Hopefully you're excited, because I know I am. Uh-oh. It's escaping. There it goes. Let's start with the cute cover. I love the cover. I love the size of this notebook. It's such a good way for young children or people to put this in your bag, or your tote bag, or your purse. So let's talk about the cover. So she's really cute. She's in a donut. I love the little two-tone donuts right there. I love sprinkles on my donuts. Comment down below what's your favorite donut. I love sprinkles. I love the Long Johns. I love the stuff that's inside of it, the jelly stuff. Those are really good. I love a good donut. So let's move on. Let's go on the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. And then at the bottom, there's always a cute little character in these ones. So I'm going to do the same thing for my beautiful notebooks. A cute little character at the bottom. And I think there's one at the top too. Yeah, that's just the logo at the top. So let's go to the tabs. See, these are the tabs up front right here. Those are the cute tabs. So let's go to the one that's pretty blue. And she's on a unicorn, which I didn't know that, but that's all right. I don't believe in unicorns, but if you do, comment down below. I want to hear your comments on this. It's so funny. But yeah, mythical creature. She's really cute though. I love the pretty blue though. I love the sprinkles. So let's move on to the next one. It's so cute, isn't it? Oh my goodness. I love it. So I can't wait to write a story in here. Maybe just write a story about life, about whatever. It's hard to write though. So let's move on to the next one and show you. Oh, look how cute this one looks. This is really cute too, you guys. I love it. I love how she's in a little heart donut, and she has a little arrow, and whoever did this character is really cute. I love how cute this little character is, and it's a pretty white background with sprinkles, and I love good hearts all over this. I love a good sprinkle donut, and I love how they put hearts in this artwork, because I do hearts in all my artwork. So that's what we'll show you. Look at the tab, that little star, cute. And let's move on to the next one as well. It's a donut, I think. Yeah, it's a donut. Look at the donut at the top. And then she's got a little donut. This is the cover, right? This is the cover. Oh, no. No, it's not. But this is pretty pink. Whoever likes pink, comment down below. Pink is pretty. So this is so cute. She is. Look at the little balloon. I was going to do a drawing similar to this. But the reason why I was going to do a drawing similar to this, because I made 100 subscribers. I was going to do a drawing with 100 balloons. I'm still going to do it. I did draw it, though. I just didn't do it on YouTube yet. But I have 100 balloons. I bought 100 real balloons. And then I had 100 balloons with the 100 numbers on it. And then I was going to have 100 cake. So I said, this is so cute. I love this so much, you guys. So I love donuts. And then the last but not least, if I can talk. Look at the cute little flower donut. And this is a girl with a little cart. It looked like candy in it. Yeah. And a kitty cat. Look how cute this is. I love this little heart right there. It's cute. I love how the cat's drawn and the cute little candy or marshmallows. And her face expression is so cute and sassy. I love it. I love the beautiful yellow background. And this is a wonderful, cute notebook that you can have for your kids or back to school. So I am so excited about this. I love notebooks. I love writing down stories, writing down ideas in notebooks. I love bringing them with me. So let's move on to the next thing I want to show you is the sunglasses. Cute sunglasses. Five Below is the store to go to. These are really cute and functional. These are like butterfly wings. I love these glasses. I've tried them on a couple times. I love how good they look on me, and I can't wait to use these in a future video or outside when I go outside for the summer out there in the sun. This is really pretty, and they're kind of like fingerprinted because I keep touching the lens, but don't do that. I want to wipe them down a little bit more. These are really cute. Let's get a closer personal so I can show you. Yeah, they're really cute. And then I got these really, really cute ones right here that are really cool. These heart ones. Uh-oh. I keep dropping everything. These heart ones are really cute. I love it. And it's a lot of fingerprints on this too. Fingerprints are everywhere. So these are really good. And I think these were like $5 and some change. Yeah. And I love how they look. Is 100% 100% UV protection. Look at these. These look so cute together, right? Just look at that. They look cute. I think they look cute. So let's show you some cute stuff else I want to show. I said cute a lot in this video, sorry. I'm going to show you the fridge yet. My amazing craft artists, are you into cute pencil holders or pen holders? This is the one for you. It's a fridge pen holder I got from Five Below for $5, and it includes one fridge pen holder and it has 2 sticker sheets that are DIY. Sticker sheets that are DIY that you can use. There's the measurements right there. Hopefully this doesn't glare your eyes too much. I want to take this off in a minute, but this is what it looks like all done, and I'm going to take this apart and show you what it looks like on the inside. So yay for cute functional pencil holders. There we go. We got that off. Yay, this is what it looks like. You guys will stand it up for you so you can see that that's the inside where the stickers are, where the pins will go. And this is a slow motion of this around the container. As you can see, this is a pretty light blue or sky blue. I love it. So let's open the door. If I can open. Ooh, I opened it one try. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like on the inside, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look how cute that is. And there's a drawer right here. There's a cute little drawer that opens up. That's cute. And then here's all the stickers. So let's look inside this first. It's pretty spacious for your pens. Let's try a pen in there in a minute, but wonderful if you're into this kind of cute stuff, or I'm tired of saying cute, so wonderful stuff. So here's the stickers. I don't like the stickers though. I don't know what the kind of critter that is, but comment down below if you know what I'm talking about, what critter that is. I do like the little milk. I don't even like milk, but I like the little face on the milk. The heart is great, and the you put whatever stickers you want on here. These are the ones they came with, but these are some nice stickers, I guess. I like the milk and the bananas and the cookie, but what kind of animal is this? I can't remember. I know it's in the wild though, so well, comment down below please what the animal is. If you watch this video, please tell me what this is. But it's going to be a fun way to decorate this nice, cool refrigerator. So let me show you what a pen looks like inside of it and see how cute it looks. Oh, I said cute again. Sorry. Look at these cute pens I got from Dollar Tree, and it works pretty good in there. Yay for pens. So I cannot wait to put this on my desk or my craft area. This is going to be so cool. And these pens work good, so I love this. Let me back up a little bit so I can show you. Yay for cool functional pencil cases and pencil holders. And this is what it looks like. It's supposed to look like when it's all done and said and done, you guys. So you can decorate these stickers or not. Do what you want to do. It's your pencil holder or pen holder. And one thing I'm going to show you at the end is this wonderful mysterious butterfly perfume. Are you ready to see this mysterious rainbow? This perfume smells so good. To me, it does. I don't know about anybody else, but I love the smell of this. I've bought like maybe 6 of these at one time because I love the smell so much. And you can buy your own perfume anywhere you want to. You know, even Dollar Tree has some really nice perfumes lately. I've smelled some really good ones there. So I go to Five Below. I go to Walmart, Target, you know, Dollar General. Any place that has really good perfume, I go buy it there. And I go to the store called the Fragrance Shop. Is a store that only has fragrances of perfumes of name brands and non-name brands, and they're really pretty and they smell really good. So let's open up the box. I got it halfway open for you guys so you can see, because I showed you this once or twice before, but this is what it looks like, you guys. The box is wonderful, isn't it? And let's take it out. Let's take it out. An empty box. I love this perfume. This is what it looks like. It's a rainbow color ombre of the beautiful colors of the rainbow. And it's this mysterious rainbow, and it smells so, so good. I love the hearts. I love the whole, this is a whole beautiful bottle. I love how it looks. So I'm so obsessed with this perfume. I mean, you can go buy it if you want to. I think it's every perfume in there is $5, if I'm not mistaken, $5 or $5.55. And I just love this beautiful ombre of a rainbow, so pretty like red and orange and yellow. Then it goes that pretty green and that beautiful blue, and then this is like a really pretty. And then at the top is like a pink top with like a bejeweled little tie around it. That's really cool. So that's what it looks like. I love this perfume, you guys. Go try it out if you want to. And thank you for watching this video. I had so much fun showing you everything in this video. So hope you have a great day. Go to Five Below. Have fun shopping, and have a great summer. Talk to you at the end of the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Did you like it? Did you love it? Do you enjoy this video? Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and tell your friends about my channel. And don't forget to click on the notification button for more videos just like this. I had so much fun showing you the cutest stuff I ever saw at the Five Below. I love that store so much. I love going in there. I love shopping there. I love talking to the staff. And I'm glad that store finally came to Iowa. I'm so happy. I was so envious of other people in other states that had that store. I said, oh, please come here to Iowa. And they finally did. Just like Dave & Buster's finally came to Iowa. So I haven't been there yet either. That's a restaurant if you didn't know. But this beautiful angel shirt, I can't wait to wear this. And I can't wait to use this beautiful functional notebook. It's really cute. And I can't wait to use this perfume, Mysterious Rainbow. And I love these sunglasses that I picked out. And I didn't really need this, but I got this anyway. It's a pen holder. So it's so much fun having this in my stash, in my craft room, in my art room. I'm going to wait to make it better in here. So hopefully you have a great day, you guys. So thank you so much. And keep crafting no matter what, because Angel says so.